Hello friend, how are you? In this video guys, I'm going to tell you how you can get rid of this pop-up that's saying switch now or stay in browser. For instance, whenever you try to load open Safari app and suddenly a pop-up comes out from like switch to Chrome. So how you have to fix this? So there are two methods I believe. So first one is like you can download the a browser that's called DuckDuck. I think it's really important for you to follow the steps and you can use this browser. And the second step is whenever you try to open your Safari browser, and you will see here like this three lines and one rectangle. You have to tap on this. Once you are there, here you can see hide distracting items. Just tap on this and close this out, and boom, it will solve this problem. Have a nice day.